Good morning, beautiful people of the South. I am so happy to connect with you. Yesterday it was just a beautiful day, and I also am happy that yes, I did a beautiful haircut from a barber that I was working with, I think, a decade ago. I went there and I realized that, hey, I could have been looking this good all this time, but I wasted my time by going into these different places. So I'm glad that I went back to him, and here we are. And I would like to apologize that my video keeps on stuttering, but we are recording, we are pushing forward up until God provides us with much better. There is one experience that I want to say. I love my African people. Nobody will make me hate African people. But I just want to talk about something that really disturbed me. It has been disturbing me for quite some time. We in Gauteng here, it's an Afrocentrian type of a vibe where you are living with someone from Malawi, someone from Zimbabwe, someone from Nigeria, someone from Mozambique. It's just a melting pot of different countries that we live in together, and we get to taste each other's food. I have tasted a little bit of Nigerian food. I'm loving it. There's this red rice, and then there's this cow legs that they have. That food, I don't know what they call it, and it's a little bit chili. The meat looks red. I love it. It's like gravy, and then they pour it, and you've got salad. I love it. I haven't tasted anything outside. Maybe your Mozambican, your Malawian. I haven't tasted it. But I once decided to abandon a relationship with a Zimbabwean girl because of their love for cooking this hard body chicken. I and I thought maybe this situation of mine will just go down. And I'm saying this, I have good friends from Zimbabwe whom I love so much, whom I respect so much, whom I have constant communication with them about politics, about social issues, about everything. But I want to tell you guys, your women, when it comes to cooking, I bafithu man. I. Yeah. Yesterday, I find myself in one of my spots here, and then I say, let me go here, get some food. Then this sister said, no, I'm going to sell you a beef stew. I'm like, beef stew is my shit. Beef stew is my thing. Just throw that thing on my way. I love it. Hey, man, hey, man, hey, man. A beef stew, you're not supposed to be picking up the pieces of beefs just like you're picking up stones when you are eating it. Do you understand what I'm saying? I bought this thing here. There is no stew. Yes, I can see the beef part of it. I can see the beef part of it. I can see the beef part of it, which is here. I can see the beef part of it. But where the hell is stew? Where the hell is stew? Because if you're saying you're selling beef stew, at least get the stew in order. So my beautiful sisters, this is not an advertorial. But if you put something like this inside that cooking of yours, there is the stew that is coming. And I've just chosen just one from my cardboard. You can choose different ones. That means that after you cook, you pour this baby inside there. The stew will come. Not that water that comes from a failed vaslab that you are feeding us. Aye, man. Aye. This is not a joke, and this is not a complaint. This is a fact. Zimbabwean ladies, when it comes to cooking, and then on top of that, they'll add this morojo of theirs there. I'm like, is this morojo mixed with Vicks or something? Like, it tastes horrible. Horrible. And their pap, it's like it has been rolled in the armpit. Like, my goodness. And I'm looking at their men, they're all looking all stuffed. And when a man doesn't want to complain because they just want to make their women happy. I sit there, I get there into that restaurant, I found a lot of men, behaving like they're sitting on top of their decks. I'm like, what the hell is happening? So, Zimbabwean ladies, we love you. and I believe I will love your food. But when you say something, it is beef stew, it is chicken stew, add the stew part of it. Do you understand? And while you add it, try to add some, some spice in it. Literally, it felt like that thing just bathed in water. No salt, nothing. No onion, nothing. We work hard for this money, people. No, we really work hard. I stay alone. I'm not single. I stay alone. But I have tasted good food. And I appreciate good food. And I know if you like, if you want, you can cook. You can give us beautiful cooked food. You cannot tell me that the entire country of Zimbabwe, this is how people are eating there. I couldn't eat this for nothing. Do you understand this? No, 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 no. And guess what happened? It was date night. So I took my woman, we went out on a date. I get into a restaurant. Guess who's cooking there? Another Zimbabwean people. The chicken that I ate there, I am not sure. You can't go wrong with chicken. You boil the damn thing, pour a little bit of spice, a little bit of onion, green peppers, a little bit of soup or whatever. That thing is by nature. That's the reason why black people eat chicken. By nature, it is nice. The first time I abandoned my supper, my chicken supper, the first time I was like, what is really happening with Zimbabwean cooking? No. No, 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 no. I have to put this forward. This is number one agenda in the men's conference. Zimbabwean ladies, no. We cannot have this. Go and attend some cooking classes. Learn how a stew is done. Learn how a good chicken is done. You can't just rip off a bait from the street and just decide that no, just because you put it on top of fire, it'll taste nice. Cooking is a skill. And if you're going to open up a business, saying that you're going to be feeding people, please, please, please. And those guys who go there and buy Zimbabwean food and not complain, Naskawata chance. I didn't complain there because I just bought the damn thing here and came and thought I'm going to enjoy it. I did not know what I was going to do with it, but I thought probably I should share it. The entire plate is here. Here's that pap that came from the armpit. Here's the raw. I couldn't eat it. Not because I'm bragging and I know anything much more. I love my people. If you are critical to each other, then there should be growth. If I'm critical to you, then you should know or you must cook better. I'm reporting live from South Africa. And I would love to go and visit Zimbabwe one of these good days. Besides the fact that I've made disparaging videos about Zimbabwean politics and how other people who are from Zimbabwe are staying in South Africa are taking money from ZANU PF and pretending like they are normal people. Somebody like Rutendo. Do you understand? So, but please, ladies, let's get our cooking proper. That beef stew, attend to the beef stew. And the beef, you cannot cook beef with the same time frame as you cooking eggs. Literally, I was chewing this beef like I was chewing chappies. It's like it was veins. The entire thing was veins. Like it was, I'm like, yo. I've met people who cannot cook buffet. But if you're about to open up a business, try something. Please, we're spending money there. It's Sunday today. I am going to work. Do you understand? That's how hard we work for this money. I am going to take this food. I'm going to bless someone in the street with it. I am not going to throw it away because that's not how I was raised. No matter how bad I think the cooking was. And I hope that immediately after I bless this person who is less fortunate than me, I am going to run so that this person cannot catch up with me after seeing the terrible food that I've given them. And I hope they bless them. And I bless this food. Aye, man. Aye, 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 aye. Besides that, the date went well, and it was just beautiful. One thing that I've realized, and my partner told me, that it does not matter where we go. We could be eating frog legs wherever we go, as long as we are together there. It'll always be fun, and it'll always be memorable. So I'm grateful. I had a wonderful day. I said I wanted to use Friday for days where I do light content, where I just being grateful of life. I'm grateful that I'm being given a chance to live. I'm being given a chance to be a father. Been given a chance to press record. And all my Zimbabwean people and all ladies, I love you so much. I love you. I appreciate you. You make the world go round. Without your terrible cooking, I wouldn't be making this video. So I appreciate you. I love you. Everything still has a room for development. Even me, I still have a room for development in terms of how I do my videos. But what is important is that I'm pressing record. I'm sharing my story with you, and with respect, with love. Do you understand? With respect and with love. From me to you, this is another episode of Banter with Mohaukwegu. God bless you. I love you. Go fetch your dreams.